just 40 minutes from downtown Anchorage is Chugach State Park and the Eagle River Nature Center. We decided to head on over for a hike before leaving the area. Lots of the trails were flooded and we were very happy we had waterproof hiking boots.
Getting a little mucky here.
Mucky. Wet. The Nature Center offers various nature programs as well as guided hikes. Although we did decide to just head out on our own, we did meet one of the guides later on, and let me just say he was definitely a wealth of information. I am getting my bald head tore up by mosquitoes. They're pretty bad. They're pretty bad. The Karate Kid? No. Don't fall in?
No, like gymnastics, like
oh, the balance beam? Do not fall in because then I'll have to laugh at you. I did get that.
What?
Yep, those are bear tracks on the trail.
I think that is a moose track.
There's a moose track, there's a moose track that they could get past.
Yep, moose tracks here. That looks like the flow of a river, but that is actually the tide going out.
Follow along as we head on down to Seward in Kenai Fjords National Park.